freezing cold. I got an appointment at BMW. I'm going to drop my bike off and have them put my parts on because I can't do it myself. First of all, I don't have a toolbox. Second of all, I have no fucking clue what I'm doing. Anyway, it's probably the last time you're gonna hear the stock exhaust before the headers. Let's do it. Dead. Dead. I have to clean this bike. This bike is filthy. It rained a couple of days. Shitty weather. Now I gotta let the bike warm up. I gotta clean my chain. It's got fucking rust on it, but that could easily be cleaned off. It's not like caked on there. It's just from a couple of days of rain. Now I gotta wait for this bike to warm up, and I'll see you when it warms up. That was fucking cold. That whole ride sucked. That was close. Cold tires. God, I made it. It's so goddamn cold. 28 degrees. Sucked. Sucked.
What is it? Is it titties? Is it, what? Is it pussy? What?
No. They're tapes of...
They're done. 6 hours later. It's time to pick up my bike. I have, you can see, I have the Arrow exhaust header going into my old Acro can. And now we're going to start it up. Let's see if there's any difference. I'm excited. It's way different. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Smiles ear to ear. Without further ado, so yeah, I had them do my headers install. I had them do the 6,000 mile service, even though I'm at 5,000 miles. I'd rather just get it done while I'm here rather than making 200 trips. Throw a leg over. Fucking difference. Can you? I'm not sure what you're picking up. Oh man, this feels so good. Let me give it a rev. Let's see. Yeah, definitely more volume. Put it back in race mode. Yeah, definitely. It's the exact volume that I wanted. You know what I mean? I didn't want it so friggin' loud, like with the shorty. I like this stock can, and I actually like the way you're going in. All right. Oh man. Oh man, those pops! They're fucking louder. Oh, they're so fucking loud. I love it. I love it. You fucking love it. I do. I got my parents behind me, making sure I'm safe. Thank you guys for being my guardian angels. I can't go crazy right now because my mommy's watching. She'll kick my ass. Oh man. I feel like it just responds better, you know? The bike just feels like it breathes. I didn't even do the Brent tune on it. That's next. That I'll do a video on. Or maybe I just won't. Maybe I'll just tune it when I get home. I don't know. Luckily, there's not a lot of traffic here on 287. I mean, when you get towards the Parkway, yeah, it's a little bit more traffic, but I don't even think I'm going to take the Parkway. I'm going to take Route 9. The pops, the gurgles, I love it. Oh, they're so fucking loud. I fucking love it. Whew. Man, riding this morning, man, it was brutal. It was so goddamn cold this morning. It's 28 degrees outside. I had to do it. Hey! And now the weather's definitely opened up. It's like 62 degrees outside now, and it's beautiful. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous riding day. Oh man, did you hear that? Route 9 South, road to nowhere. The road to nowhere. It looks like we'll have to jump on the Parkway. God, those pops are so fucking loud. So, my stepdad and mom took me, dropped me off to pick my bike up, and he was looking at the Ducati Multistrada, the V4, and he was really digging it, man. And I was telling him, you know what, bro, trade the Indian in and get a Multistrada, or get, the XR, the S1000rr XR. There was one M1000 XR there, but it was sold, so we couldn't really sit on it, but he was looking at it. He was definitely digging it, but he definitely liked the Multistrada better, which is, that's totally fine. Multistradas are fucking sick bikes. And I'm a little partial to BMW though. BMW. Man, those pops are so fucking loud. I can't believe it. I can't fucking believe it. This is beautiful. This is what I've been waiting for. The only fucking shitty part is that I kind of wanted to put it on an Amex, but I just had to just shell out the fucking cash card. I was like, ah, fuck, I didn't want to do that. Okay, so my final thoughts: absolutely worth it. Get exhaust headers. Just do it. The sooner the better. The bike just rides better. All right. Anyway, the bike just rides better. It responds better. It sounds better, and it pops and bangs way better. I highly recommend it. If you have the money, do it. If you don't have the money, don't do it. Simple as that. But yeah, oh my god, today turned out to be a great day. I hope everybody had a wonderful day. I'm gonna cut the video here. I just want you all to know that I truly appreciate it, each and every one of you, all the new subscribers. Really appreciate this. Definitely want to make this channel grow as much as possible. And yeah, I love you, babies. Continue to come hang out with me. You know, this is great. Stay tuned to the next one, because I'm definitely going to do the Brent tune very soon. And yeah, I'll do a video on that. All right, babies. Be well. Peace. Mwah. Bye. All right, so we just got home. The ride was awesome. This is what we did. Put the headers in there now. And we kept it the stock BMW Akrapovich. Kept that there. Kind of want to hear how it sounds from here. 'Cause the other place was from my my microphone on my GoPro. Alright, let's hear what it sounds like. Yeah, it's a warm start. Sounds good. Definitely. It shoots fire! Ah! Oh my god. I'm going to fucking hell. I'm going to fucking hell.